How well are you really absorbing the food that you're eating? Hi, Danna and Robyn here with Lean Healthy Ageless and the co-authors of the Eat, Live, Thrive diet. And if you're a woman 45 plus looking to have your best health, your best vitality, your best body, no matter what your age, you're in the right spot. Today, we're going to talk a little bit about digestion, getting the most out of your food, and of course, feeling comfortable while doing it.
You know, Danna, one of the things that actually came to my awareness about thinking that I was absorbing all the food I was eating and getting all the benefit, I had an appointment with my naturopathic doctor. We had done some blood work, and he said, well, your protein levels are really low.
I was the same.
I was shocked.
Me too.
Because I eat quite a bit of protein, and so what I was taking in wasn't necessarily being assimilated and utilized by my body.
Well, as we age, we know our ability to digest diminishes. Our normal gastric juices are not as productive as they used to be. So there's some natural things we can do to start. One of those is using a quality apple cider vinegar before meals to aid in digestion. In fact, Robyn and I in our Eat, Live, Thrive diet created what we call a cleansing drink that is a combination of apple cider vinegar, lemon, some ginger, some cinnamon, and those elements taken before a meal can really aid in digestion. But sometimes it's not quite enough.
Right. Sometimes our bodies need a little extra support. You know, the food that we eat is full of enzymes, fruits, vegetables, even animal products such as chicken or fish or beef, full of enzymes. But guess what? As soon as you cook those foods, it kills the enzymes. So sometimes we need a little bit of support using a digestive enzyme. And that is a supplement that you take right before you eat a meal, or if you forget during your meal or right after. It helps you to not only break down the foods that you're eating and digest them, but it actually helps your body assimilate all the nutrients so that you utilize the entire food and get the most benefit.
We actually carry two different types of digestive enzymes on our web store because they meet two different needs. So Robyn, why don't you share what those are?
Well, the first one is called Complete Digestion. It is a digestive enzyme that anyone can utilize to help digest and absorb the nutrients. It doesn't necessarily target specific issues with digestion. It will just help you in general utilize all those nutrients from the foods that you're taking in. The second one is called Intolerance Complex, and that is for those that have some sort of food sensitivities. I mean, I have a ton of them, and it can be really helpful for those that have problems digesting lactose. It can be helpful for gluten sensitivity. Also, those foods that some of us have problems with, maybe onions, garlic, even, the beans that make you toot kind of a situation. It can really help if you're having bloating or gas, or maybe your elimination is too quick or too slow. That can help as well.
It's super important to realize the quality of your digestion and your entire gut health impacts every system of your body. So having a healthy digestive regime is really important. If you want more information about the two digestive enzymes that we just talked about, just click the link provided. And if you like this video, if you'd give us a like, we'd appreciate it. And if you haven't yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, you can do so. And don't forget to click the little bell. Then you'll get a notification every time we put out a new video.